Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amazon Associates link placement for compliant placements step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Amazon Associates account. Once logged in, navigate to the Tools section in the top menu. Click on Link to any page to generate your affiliate link. Search for the product you want to promote in the search bar. Choose the product from the search results that best fits your content. Select the type of link you want, such as text, image, or text and image. If you opt for a text link, customize the anchor text to match your content naturally. For image links, choose the image size that fits your layout. Copy the generated HTML code or direct link to your clipboard. Next, head to your website or blog's content management system. In your post or page editor, find where you want to place the link. For text links, highlight the relevant text and use the hyperlink tool to paste the link. For image links, switch to the HTML or text mode and paste the code where you want the image to appear. Ensure that the link is marked as a nofollow link, which is crucial for compliance with Amazon's policy. Check that your links are visible and contextually relevant to your content. Always disclose your affiliate relationship with a brief statement near the links. Publish your content and review it to ensure the links function correctly. Monitor your link performance via the Amazon Associates dashboard to optimize further placements. Regularly review Amazon's operating agreement for any updates to compliance requirements. Make adjustments as necessary to maintain compliant link placements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.